we got some poop. Yeah, you heard me. I guess I should have worn my gloves. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning OG, welcome back. So I am back with another unboxing from bulk.com, and this one, if you don't see what I got going on here with the whole green and the red, kind of, get you in a festive Christmas kind of mood, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, because this box here is Christmassy, but not in the way that you think. So you really want to know? Stay tuned. So this box is chock full. I mean, it is full. So I'm just gonna pull and go for it. And everything in this box is supposed to be new. Now, I'm gonna type the information about said box below, because I ordered this quite a while ago, like a long while ago, to the extent of me not remembering exactly when I ordered said box. Okay, so this is what we have off the top, and it's by Creative World. And it looks like it's just the outfits. Creative World, all welcome. So we're going to have to see if this is going to... Oh, we get to lift it up. Hey, you get to lift it up. There you go. All right, next is this Star Wars The Black Series. I know zero about Star Wars, really. This is Moloch. Now, here is another. This is another Moloch. I don't know if I'm saying it right, guys. Next is Bakugan Armored Alliance, and this is this is Trox Ultra. I don't know. I have no idea. Okay. Next is another Bakugan, but this one is Enilius. This is so perfect for now. This is Crayola Color Wonder Mess Free PJ Mask color thing here. We got this little doohickey here. I don't know what this is. This is obviously, this is Ducky. This is Ducky from Toy Story 4. And we have another animal here. This is a rabbit. And this is the Manhattan Toy Company. And this looks like just a pink rabbit. Something good for Easter, in my opinion. Or somebody who loves bunnies and rabbits. Here's another little one. This is Minecraft. And this is this Jinx or Mojang? I don't know. If y'all know, y'all let me know. Here's another little one here. This is Squeezamoo's Plumps. And it says, hi, I'm something. I don't know. Are you Blair? Hi, I'm Blair. Yep, Blair. This is Little First Look Baby Einstein, and looks like it's just a little book. It's a little book. Probably won't get much from this, so this will probably be thrown in a bundle, because it says the original price here was $4.99, so I don't imagine getting more than that for it. Here's another one of the PJ coloring. Here's another Little Baby Einstein book. Okay, this is Disney Junior Fancy Nancy. And inside it has 3 books, 1 poster, 50 stickers, 4 mini markers, and a partridge in a pear tree. It doesn't have the partridge in a pear tree. I added that. So this is the PJ. All right. And then this one is Paw Patrol. There you go. Okay, here's another Fancy Nancy. Okay, here is a Disney Frozen 2 one, like the Fancy Nancy. Here's another Fancy Nancy. Okay, so we have some Tonkas. So we have this one. We have this one. Let's see. And we have this one. And we have this one. Here we have Glitter Girls. I don't know what this is. I guess I should have worn my gloves, guys. We got some poop. One, two, three, four, five, six that I see. So this is Silly Putty, Ugly Putty Poop. So next is Crazy Errands, Never Dries, something Putty. And Enchanting Unicorn, Thinking Putty. I guess it's going to help you think. Very interesting. Explore the world of Thinking Putty. You have cosmets, glows, phantoms, illusions, hypercolors, magnetics, precious, and liquid glass. Oh, and it's glow in the dark. This one is glow in the dark. Okie dokie. Okay. Next is some coloring books for Vampirina. I have 2 of them. Ooh, next is DreamWorks Trolls World Tour. So it is sealed, but the seal is coming off. And it's a case. I have no idea what this is. This is by Crayola, and it looks like it's a bunch of different crayons, markers, and other stuff. Can you see that? This is a really. I don't know what made them put that in there. All right, this is Frozen 2 Imagine Ink Mess-Free Marker. And it's like a book too, so. Okay, here is Who's to Blame Logic Game Cat Crimes. Oh, here's some more Thinking Putty. Oh, this one's slightly open. This one is Heat Sensitive. Okay, this is Rock and Roll Trivia. Rock out with 140 questions. And that's how it looks. This Squishmallows. Collectors All. So this is the Kelly toy. And I have another Kelly toy. So I have 2. Okay, this is the Disney Jasmine Aladdin doll. You see the little thing is coming apart there, but it is still brand new and intact. And this is Jasmine from the human version of Aladdin. We have another Glitter Girls. I think this is the same one. Yep. So we have 2. And here is another one. So that's 3. This is Thick and Glossy Squishy Fun. What is it with this squish and puttiness? And it's 2, I think 3 of these. This is 2. And why? Okay, we have 2 fatalities. And this is the third. And this one is from Frozen 2. It's a little bit squished. There we go. And this is the water nook. I don't know what that was. Okay. Oh, the poop is falling. The poop is falling. The poop. Oh no. The poop is going everywhere. Firefighter, play and protect. Toysmith. So we have a couple of fatalities. So this is open. Okay. And is missing some pieces. This is the crowbar. And is missing the axe, the fire extinguisher, and I think another item that's being covered by the little ticket there that I hate that they put on these items. So then we have this. Yeah. Why did you even put this in here? Like, what is that? Okay. And I mean, the actual item is fine. It's just the box is shot to hell. But the item itself is fine. So, I mean, maybe I can sell it out of box. I don't know. I don't even know who Aaron Judge is. Oh, he's from the Yankees. Okie dokie. So that's the first fatality. Well, no. We got 3. So this was 1. This was 2. This one hurt. This is 3. It was another Jasmine in there. Okay. But as you see, this is all bent up. This is actually slit. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. You can see the slit. This is slit. So, I mean, I kind of want to I'll press it. Okay, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys are having an amazing 4th quarter thus far. As for me, it really is starting to pick up now for me. So, let's rock out, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.